Hey guys, this video people will never tell you this, okay guys? So what you will do to fetch more gem and make good money without paying kobo, without spending any of your income, okay guys? So just watch this video from beginning to the end. I will tell you how to make good money with this app. Every month you will be collecting free ATH, and then you will sell the ATH with what, with better amount, and where to sell it, that is what I'm going to provide for you now. So that just follow this video. If you are just hearing my voice for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, okay guys, and watch all my previous videos so that next time whenever I release video, you will be the first person to be notified, okay guys? So without wasting most of your times, let me just come here now to explain how. First thing is, there is something we call gem, okay? This is what we call gem. This gem is the one converting to ATH, okay guys? So you need nothing to do, is just to get this app, just join them, get this app, and then perform various tasks that I will ask you to be doing now. It will not take you just 2 minutes in a day, 3 minutes in a day, and the other day you will just do it and you make good money of it. If I tell you now how much is the total of this in dollar, this just 51 ATH, now you will surprise, because where you will sell it, you will surprise, okay guys? Now for instance, now let me just first explain where. Now let me go back to home now. So the gem, now how to get gem first, because that gem is the one the ATH, they will convert to ATH, okay? So how can you get gem? Firstly, now when you log in, you will see this area, it will pop up, okay? The number will be there. Just click on it, you have collected gem, okay? That is point number one. The second one is that whenever you log in, you will see some box, one box here. You will see box here, sorry, box will be here, not this side, this side. You see the box here, click the box, you can receive gem also there, or boost, okay? So that is number two. The second one is that, the third one rather, is you come down to this area. This is the quest, okay? This quest, now just click on it like this. By the time you click on quest, every day you will come down to this area, you check it out. So that is 20,000 gem every day. Don't miss it, don't miss it at all. Aside from that, you just be looking all this side. When you see claimable, all this one, by the time you see claimable, you just have to click it and you will receive gem also, okay? That is the third one. Fourth one, where you receive biggest one, okay? When you come down to home, you come down to this, pick this one, this area, this one. Just click it like this. When you click it, let me click it for you. So this is where you come to. You come down to this place. This is 24 hours generation of gem. This place, you will see it like this. When it is 24 hours now, it will come up. For me now, every 24 hours, I receive nothing less than 200,000 plus gem, okay? So that is how I make gem, okay? And then this gem, what is meaning of gem? This gem is also a token, but this token is not powerful like ATH, okay guys? And then this gem now is the one, to convert. Now every month, this gem will be converted to ATH, okay? This gem will be converted to ATH. This is how it does. Look at this now. Let me click on this ATH for you to see. Okay, look at the time. Look at it now. This is every month. You can see now, convert ATH from that. This one is 1/30/2024. I receive 11 ATH from the gem that I make. all the various area that I told you now, that is where I make my gem. Okay, you can see it now. On the one for 2024, I received 12 gem. Okay, KYC, I use 5 ATH for my KYC. AT P2P deposit. So I deposit 100 ATH to my P2P deposits. So that is then I will not sell it in P2P again. There is area where you will sell it and you make good money there. Okay, I will told you now. Burn ATH to receive boost. I use 20. Okay, now look at how my ATH goes now. You can see every month. That is how I receive ATH. You can see that now. I don't miss any month. I make sure that I make cool money here. No money, nothing. I don't stress myself. Okay, so now let me not just go back now. So since you have know how to get jam, how to make it now, so automatically every month, no, it's not, you are not the one that will convert it. Okay, the system will convert it to every 4th of the month. It will be converted. Okay, guys, look at this ATH now. This is 51.2. Okay, just 51 ATH. Do you know how much it worth? It's worth $48. Okay, this is $48. Where can you sell it to get $48? Here we go now. Just come down to this home. When you get to home, this is where you will go. Don't go to P2P. If you go to P2P, you are going to sell it also. But to make cool money, go to ATH. Okay, this ATH, that is where you will sell it and receive $48. Okay, guys, so I will go to ATS now for you to confirm that this app, people are making money. They are not dulling you themselves. Okay, you too, you can also make money with this app. Okay, guys, so let me go to the ATX now. So guys, so this is ATS I'm talking about. Okay, guys, when you get there, this is where I said you will sell your ATH. Okay, so how can you sell it? You just have to come down here. You can also buy ATH here. When you buy it here, it's very cheap. Do you see that now? When you sell it here, it's very high. Okay, so how can you sell it now? Just when you will have to transfer it to this place. Okay, so you just go to withdrawal in your AT app. Okay, just you will see it transfer to ATS. That is where you transfer it directly to this place. Okay, don't forget you will create account with this. Immediately you press that ATS, it will ask you to create account, because me, I have created my account before, so I don't want the video to be long. That's why I don't want to show you the process. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, so now how can I sell it now? I'll just have to press on sell now. Okay, how many ATH did I have there? I have 51. Okay, so just look at it now. This is 51. I'll write 51 here and look at the price, 46. Can you see now? This is $46. Okay, with what? Without paying anything, without doing anything, just for you to acquire gem. When you acquire gem, and then every month it will be converted to what? To ATH, and you sell your ATH profitably. Look at it. Just 51 ATH, you will receive $46. $46. Okay, and then you can sell it. When you sell it, you can sell your USDT to Bybit or any of the cryptocurrency using BEP20 smart chain. Okay, guys, so that is how you can make money with this ATH, guys. Okay, if you find this tutorial useful, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to update it whenever I release some video like this. Okay, guys, Money Boss sign out.